Now let's come to the exercise part. Okay, first thing that we'll see is the basically the audit schedule, which is also called as the audit charter. Okay, so basically this is the schedule of the audit. Okay, for example, what exactly you need to perform when you are there. Okay, so function, which function you will audit, what will be the time of the audit. Okay, what is the date of the audit, who will be the auditor, lead auditor, right? Who will be the participant, participant will be the team. Okay, team can be HR, team can be a CISO also, team can be compliance team also, team can be any team, right? Incident response team also. So all the teams are here you have the lead auditor, and whoever is accompanying the lead auditor, you have that person. Okay, and on the left side again you have different uh, processes, I should say, like incident response process, access control process, risk assessment and risk treatment process, data backup recovery process. All these processes basically you want to audit. Okay, physical security, third party vendor, network security. Okay, all these are part of the processes. So this is how you basically, so actually the time frame for sending this is minimum 15 to 20 days prior to the audit. You need to send it to the the auditee, so that they know what is the audit schedule, and so that these teams, actually these participants of yours, can actually prepare accordingly. Okay,
So who creates this plan? Whose responsibility it is to organize all of this?
this guy only, na, the person who is coming for the audit.
Okay, so the internal auditor only will set
Yes,
everything up and then
yes,
schedule meetings and block calendars and everything.
yes, right. And that too 15-20 days in advance. Not anything less than 2 weeks is not acceptable. Okay, it's the industry best practice. Minimum 2 weeks of notice you have to give, because these people are not free, right? They have to schedule their time, they have to collect the evidence also to show you. That is the thing. Okay,
Okay,
clear? Everybody good?
but generally what I've seen is that if there is an ISO team doing all the ISO stuff, so basically what I've seen is they organize all of this. It is not that they will do this, but they will put in block calendars and then liaise with the lead auditor. Okay, I mean, organize all of this is done by the ISO 27001 team, whichever is working, be it implementation or run, maintain, or whatever. So this is generally what I've seen, because auditors usually don't go and review people's calendars and then they will say, okay, I am not available, you are available at this time or not time. So this is my observation.
Mhm. Auditors definitely do not review anybody's calendar, but they give you a schedule. They have to. It's a part of the job.
No, they will give a schedule. Fine. So let's say today I am an auditor. I have to audit. So today is what? 24th of May, right? I'll put it in 15th of June that I have to do this internal audit. So I'll start writing stuff. Okay, this is my plan. And then this is the time that you have to be available. And I send also everything. And then let's say there is something else, the CISO is not available, or someone is not available, so they will counter that, right? We are not available, XYZ reason. So because of that, the entire audit plan cannot be just cancelled
No, no,
in
it
my
does
view.
not work like that. So I'll tell you. See,
Mhm.
first of all, they'll send you a schedule like this one. Okay.
Okay.
Now you have to respond back saying that whether
Okay.
you accept this or not, or you want more time or not. That's how it
Okay.
happens. So there's a
Okay.
negotiation happen on this. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
तो schedule करने के लिए भी negotiation करनी पड़ती है.
Ha, because you're right. Everybody is not available now.
Okay, fine,
That's
understood.
why. Yes.
In the opening meeting, there is a discussion. No, that is fine.
Yes. Yes. Where you give them the scope. Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay. So this is regarding the overall schedule of the audit. Prakhar, you want to add something?
Uh, Not much means you get a tentative plan schedule like this, and someone is assigned from the organization to get this
Yes.
done, check
Yes.
availabilities, and
Yes.
accept that. Then they proceed with internal teams whether they are available for these audits
Yes.
timings,
Right. Right.
and things are scheduled. So it is a
Right.
long process. Means
Yes, it is a long process, right? That's why
That's
it's recommended to start earlier. Yeah, so that you have time in between. Yeah.
yeah. And then even after that, those are rescheduled.
Yes. If needed, they can be rescheduled also. You're right.
Yes, yes.
Good. So after conducting this audit, so this is basically the audit schedule. Now next thing we need to review is the summary report. Like what exactly happened in the audit. Okay. For example, you conducted the audit. Now what are the findings of the audit? Okay. So this is a audit summary report. You can basically present it in a word format also if you want. People do that in the documentation as well, but Excel is easy to understand. That's why I have kept it Excel. It's not wrong. You can present it this way also. Okay. So basically, what are your key findings of the audit as per the processes that you actually have audited? What is your observation? What is your recommendation? And what is your action plan? Okay. So all these are basically there in this internal audit summary report. Okay.
So is it the clause 9.1 that we defined? Okay, monitoring, measurement, analysis, and evaluation. So the last week's exercise, what we did, are these same points taken and put in the audit, checklist? Is it like that, or is it defined some other way?
These are the things that you have reviewed, right? The access
Yeah.
control, incident response, all these things are there. See, access control, incident response, same things, right? Whatever
Hmm.
you have scheduled for, same things.